So I'm out here in Brooklyn, and before I do anything else, I need some gojas. Dude wasn't making things easy for me, but he's got a job to do. Hello YouTube people. Had my coffee, feeling a little better about things, and today's 10-click challenge is going to be in the Dumbo neighborhood of Brooklyn. And what I'm going to do is set myself a couple of goals. So beyond the first goal, which is to get 10 decent pictures, but only take 10 pictures. So no setup shots, no safety shots, no do-overs. And I'm going to try and get 10 good black and white pictures. Monochrome, if you will, if you're not into the whole color thing, distinctions. So yeah. So I'm heading down to, well, coming down from Cadman Plaza to, I believe, I want to say Washington Street, but I'll probably get it wrong. So I'll just wait and see what the sign says in a second or two. Dang it, I was right. It is Washington Street. Okay. So we're on Washington Street, heading down for the first shot. Okay, camera I'm using is the Canon G9 point and shoot, which I have set to take black and white. And we're going to get this first shot, fairly iconic. As you can see, out here gets crowded because everybody's seen this shot in magazines and travel brochures, and they want to take it for themselves, understandably. So that was one. Then I'm going to do another one for luck, but I'm going to go a lot closer. And that'll be the second shot of the day. So, Dumbo, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, which is over there. So the obvious advice for me, from me to you, would be to get out here as early as possible, because otherwise you're navigating all of these people taking the same picture that you want to get. Okay. Alright, so that's two. So this used to be a lot of factories, warehouses, and you can find some interesting building design features like these. braces. Don't know. Going to head out here into Brooklyn Bridge Park. So I'm up to number 3, but I'm feeling a number 4. So, okay. So this is the East River over here, and as I said, I'm in Brooklyn. Looks back at the Manhattan skyline from over here. If you're feeling particularly brave, you could even paddle on this little tiny little beach here. This building used to be a warehouse, and now the bulk of it is taken over by some offices, some stores, and a little further down the Time Out Market, which is like a food hall, multi-level food hall, and there are some really tasty options in there. So right now I'm resisting the urge to take another picture of the Manhattan Bridge. I like the leading lines here going around. Let's go a little lower. So this is the Time Out Market that I was talking about. So this is the Jane's Carousel. Let's see what we can get there. Like I said, this is the East River, and over beyond there is Manhattan. Manhattan Bridge over there, Brooklyn Bridge over there, Freedom Tower up there. Yeah, you get the general idea. The next bridge up over there is the Williamsburg Bridge. Definitely outside of today's scope of operations. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so by my calculations, I only have 2 shots left. So this looks fun. And we have 1 left. And I think I know what I'd like it to be. The different part about taking pictures in black and white is you have to kind of see without the colors. So basically you're looking at tones, shadows, light, contrasts, all that jazz, and trying to find the less obvious, if you will. Okay, I think this will be the last one. Okay, that was my attempt at a 10-click challenge in the Dumbo neighborhood of Brooklyn. And so for right now, the objective is to go home, edit this, and put it up for you. So thank you for watching, really appreciate it, and I hope you'll check out the next one of my 10-click challenges. Can't promise it'll be in Brooklyn. Trying to get to as many different places as I can. So just bear with me and I'll get to somewhere that maybe you want to see at some point. So that's it. So thank you very much. All your views, likes, comments, shares, subscriptions, etc. all gratefully appreciated. So, till next time, take care.